are in Sequoia National Park at the lake's trailhead. We're going to make an attempt to get to Pear Lake.
Yeah, supposedly there's a fair amount of snow on the trail, so we've packed some snowshoes, but neither of us are super snowshoe experienced. I've never done it, so we'll see once the snow starts how far we get.
We've started going on the Hump Trail, which is a trail that has a lot of elevation gain to get to Heather Lake. And now we've kind of reached a point where there's a lot more snow and we don't see the trail anymore, so we're kind of just walking in the right direction of the lake, but not sure where the trail is. What do you think of the snow?
Right now it's fun, but this is really the first point in the trail where we aren't just seeing snow intermittently, so I'm curious to see. Right now it's packed and like a little sticky, but not terrible to walk on. I'm curious to see how that continues. So if you look there, we've been noticing that like as the snow melts, it forms these snow melt rivers, and sometimes they're visible in like big rivers, but there are parts where snow is covering them, so it's unclear kind of how the snow is melting. And I saw that there was a little patch of water and I was trying to avoid it, but apparently I didn't avoid it enough, and I stepped on a place that didn't have thick enough snow to hold me, fell right into the river, and it was like, I was like waist deep in freezing cold water.
Here we are at Heather Lake. So to get here, all we had to do really was take the Hump Trail, because the Watchtower Trail is a little bit precarious in the snow. And the Hump Trail just took us over basically this mountain here, and then we came down, and now we're at the lake, and we're here having lunch.
Super pleasant. Lots of water filtering. The lake is sort of snowed over, but behind you can see that big flat place, and a little bit it's melting. It's really fun.
And we've seen ducks land and just swim around in the little parts of the water that are not frozen. We've made it to Emerald Lake. We just passed Emerald Lake. You can see down here, this is the outlet to Emerald Lake, the outlet river that flows from Emerald to Astor, I think, and then down the mountain. So it's super beautiful out here.
So like, it feels like the weirdest place to be. It's just like a snow, I don't know, it's like a winter wonderland.
We were thinking of putting on our snowshoes now, but this is almost snowshoe territory, but it's still like surprisingly walkable, so we're kind of just being too lazy to put them on because we're so close to the lake.
So the trail up through all the other lakes was super straightforward and really lovely and pleasant. So we decided to keep going to Pear Lake, which is the top. It's really high up here, and we went through some stuff that was a little scary. I think if this place is super snowed in, it's probably fine. And certainly when the snow melts, it's an easy trail, but we're in this weird in-between where it's melting and forming all these like ice rivers underneath the snow. And so anytime you get close to a boulder, something might fall off. And so it's like the combination of it being like steep and like you can't step everywhere you might want to, and you don't really know what's under anything, but like it matters, unlike when there's a ton of snow. So it's
Yes, so we were following footsteps, and the footsteps we were following were doing the right thing most of the time. And then the footsteps veered off a little bit, and my instinct was not to follow them, but then we decided to. And the footsteps kind of brought us on a very steep incline below this like jumble of boulders, and it seemed very uncomfortable and a little bit scary. So we climbed back up, and then we basically went the way that my instinct and the GPS track seemed to indicate. We did it! We made it!
Yahoo! I'm so tired.
We've made it to Pear Lake, and it's really awesome because there is absolutely no one here.
Yeah.
And it feels extremely remote. So now we're going to set up camp somewhere around here and then have a nice relaxing night. We've been resting for a while, and then we made dinner and ate it cuddled up in our sleeping bags because it's a little bit chilly out and my feet were super ice cold, and so I needed to warm them up. And so now I think it's around 7 p.m. so the sun's gonna go down in about an hour and a half. I think we're gonna relax a little bit more, maybe play a game or watch a movie, and then head off to bed.
Yeah, I'm excited. It's really lovely, but this is the first time I've ever camped on snow.
We are enjoying some oatmeal in this very surprisingly warm and sunny weather. How was your night last night?
So, it was lovely, with the exception of...
Everything's lovely. You always
Do I say that?
You say that with every video.
Sorry, it's not lovely. It was anything but lovely. No. It was really pleasant until I got really cold. There's a big difference, obviously, in being out here when the sun is out and laying on snow when it's there's no sun. So it was cold. I learned some new tricks, like warming up water, putting it in a water bottle and putting that at the bottom of your sleeping bag. Makes a huge difference, turns out. So learned some tricks, made it through.
But it's a beautiful morning. We'll finish our oatmeal. We're going to put on our snowshoes and head out.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to see where I go next.